Hi, this is Ken. How's everything going? Today is the first day of December. Have you started to prepare your Christmas? In today's kata, we are asked to write a function named first non-repeating letter that takes a string input and returns the first character that is not repeated anywhere in the string. And also upper and lowercase letters are considered the same character. But the function should return the correct case for the initial letter. For example, the input stress with capital T and an S should return the capital T instead of the lowercase one. I think the solution will be quite straightforward. Let's head to the practice. Right, we have the input string, which is called string. If you have watched my previous videos, then you probably can remember there's a function called count, which is used to tell how many times a letter that appears in the string. Right, I think we can use that. So let's say for I in string, then it's easy to say string count I equals 1. It doesn't repeat anywhere in the string. So if it equals 1, then we just return I. If we can't find a letter that appears only one time in this string, we just return empty. Let's double check that. Okay, yeah, it's empty. But do you still remember that we should treat the upper and lower cases as the same? So what we can do is to say lower to convert I into lower cases, and also convert this string into lower cases before the count function. I think this is what we need. Let's have a test. Right, let's try more random tests. Cool, we got a solution. Let's submit it and head to the next kata.